We are off to Zion to meet my buddy Tim from 40 Times Around. FTA Adventures. Gotta love it, baby. Got 4 hours, 265 miles.
Are you riding those Highline trails?
No, I'm heading down to Zion.
Oh, are you? Right on. Yeah, I thought maybe you're one of those maniacs that ride.
Oh, I usually do.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Do you? Yeah. I was telling my friend from Texas about that.
Yeah?
Yeah. It goes right through my backyard, sort of.
Nice. Yeah, beautiful country.
Right on.
Well, enjoy the rest of the fall.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Just down in Sandy, so.
Oh, I see.
All right.
Be careful, man.
Take care. Nice guy. Was wondering if I was one of the crazy ones. Usually I am. This is supposed to be a chill ride. We shall see. Go down to Zion National Park and also probably hit Bryce Canyon. Should be fun. Well, just thought I'd give you a little look at Mona as we drive by. Trying to make some miles. The last time I was on this motorcycle here, I was going to meet Tim as well. It was blowing 40 miles an hour with gusts of up to 60 miles an hour. And I ended up camping somewhere around here. And then it snowed me in. That was awesome. The video will be in the description down below and in the card up here above somewhere. Welcome to Panguitch. There's the Silver Eagle coffee shop. What I need is some gas and a damn headlight. So we just went to Napa and got ourselves a headlight, which I haven't had for months. That'll be nice. And now we're on our way to meet Tim. You know, late of course, but better late than never. Lydia's Canyon. Hello, Lydia. What's up?
Oh, dude.
How's it going?
Good. Been a while.
It's been forever.
It was a ride.
Nice hoodie. I think I brought mine.
How was the ride?
That was beautiful in here, man.
Yeah.
And just like we'd never been apart, the hazing begins. What?
Is that bike tipped over enough? Looks like it's leaning a little. Looks good coming out. The color looks good.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. Like, look up under there. It's kind of cool to watch it. Oh, shit. Not in the wind. But
Cool, man. Thank you.
yeah, nice shot for the pink.
Smells good.
Seems a little more espresso-y to me than the
Yeah. Wow, that's strong. Jesus Christ.
Told you.
Yeah. That's good. It's like the real deal.
Yeah, it's more like when we went and got those in Bisbee. Hello. If I can get it to you. Thank you. And into Zion to go. What the brap is up, fellow brapsters? Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent. And today I'm hanging with our buddy Tim Collins from FTA Adventures. Decided we'd go check out Zion National Park and Bryce Canyon before I'm totally snowed in Utah. So I met Tim last night. I'll show a little footage of that here coming up. And man, it was a cold night. We had some coffee, kind of hung out this morning. Made a base camp right like in the middle between Zion and Bryce Canyon. So we're gonna do this today, go through Zion, which I've never been through. It's pretty amazing. Wow. And then go back to the camp we were at, which will be nice because everything's set up already. And then we'll do Bryce Canyon tomorrow. But just give you a little ride along through Zion with us. Pretty cool. Tim's on his new bike. It's the Triumph Tiger 850 Sport. Really nice looking bike. It's gray with like a laser blue. Really good looking. I'll get you some footage of that too. I believe he just put out a video kind of introducing his bike and saying why he got rid of the I think it was the KLR 650. Basically because it's not real fun to go across country on. Anyway, it was really hard to keep your eye on the road here. Look at this. That's awesome, dude. That is awesome. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him in camera. Ah. nappy time now. Alright, so just give you a little update. I am planning on doing 2 videos a week for a little while. On Tuesday or Wednesday I'll be putting out my 2021 adventures that I need to get caught up on. And on Saturday or Sunday I'll be putting out my 2022 adventures to get caught up on those. It's been a busy couple of years. Probably have 18 terabytes worth of video to edit for y'all, and every week doing the podcast Throttled Adventures with Chappie. That's been awesome. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and definitely hit the bell, because many people have been telling me that they have not been being notified when I upload videos, which is frustrating enough. Anyway, I appreciate y'all. Obviously you can go to Patreon and help support the channel, make sure that I can keep doing this next year. I appreciate all of the Patreons, who I will be rolling up the screen here. The hell you taking me down here, bro? This reminds me of a place in Idaho where Tim spent almost half a day with me doing videos.
Yeah.
And I got home and we had no sound. Nice little river stop. This is perfect temperature. Good. Very strange. So I'm out here in this lovely wilderness, and then I find this hiding Tim Collins. Thank you for joining. Stay tuned. Got tons of adventures coming, plus some tip videos, how-to videos. Also have a book that will be coming out hopefully by December is the goal. So look for that. Kind of odd. Usually when I'm in this situation, I'm on my dirt bike. Now we're hoofing it. This is cool though. We're by this wall and it is high. If you look up, it's like high. Cool. Imagine this is like runoff when it rains hard. But you got beautiful pine trees and leaves changing over here, and then over on this side you got like red rock. It's kind of cool to have all of it. So I was telling Tim that it's weird, these trees randomly on the rocks just like grow, and he told me how it happens. How does it happen? How are these trees?
Birds eat seeds, then they fly over these hills and they poop them out. So every one of those trees is a bird turd.
It's a lot of poop.
It is.
It sounds like deja poop. I think I've heard this crap before. And we are home for the day.
Our stuff is still here.
That's good. That would have sucked.